I am a love statement from Paramashiva. I am a proposal of love to humanity from Paramashiva. Understand? I am just a loud, clear statement from Paramashiva to the whole humanity. Will you get enlightened? Will you become me?